Trees were being pulled out of the ground yesterday with the power of the wind. Thankfully today, those winds have eased. Bit of lake effect snow, still the story this morning, easing throughout the afternoon, winds calming down as well. I wish we were warmer today, but only 2 for that daytime high. And we also have more snow to come. This snow is moving in overnight tonight and looks like we could get upwards of 2 centimeters of snow throughout the day on Friday. Special weather statements, they are widespread, and it looks like now the Niagara region could overachieve when it comes to this snow. We're talking upwards of 20 centimeters with this system. Now the drive this morning, of course, that's the biggest concern when it comes to this freshly fallen snow. So let's take a look at it out there. I have to say the QEW, look at it through here, Ontario. This has to be one of the worst routes this morning. We're talking track bare conditions, extremely slow, stop and go in either direction. Well, good morning. It's Monday, the first Monday of March break, and I want to start off by talking about the jet stream. I know you're not in school this week, but you can still learn something from watching the Weather Network. The jet stream here really tells a weather story for us, and we see this huge ridge across the west. Vancouver today, 18 degrees, daytime high, calling it a little gift from California, sending some of that warmth further to the north. Now across the east, we got a big dip. We call that a trough in the jet stream, and this is allowing a very active pattern to set up. Toronto yesterday climbed to 10.2, so there was a lot of melting happening and a big temperature spread across southern Ontario. Ottawa and the Laurentian Valley stayed much cooler than us. That's where that cold front was hanging out over the weekend. For us today, we have that northeasterly flow, so we're sunny, but we're not as warm. We will be cooler as we go throughout this week, no one getting up to 10 degrees. There are a couple models that say, yes, we want to track some heavier snow right across the GTA up into cottage country, but the American model is really keeping this snow to the south. So we're sort of going with a mix in between the two at this point. Generally, we're talking about 5 to 10 centimeters of snow in through Wednesday. Looks like Toronto, 7, 8, that is likely for us, but think of Wednesday as a snowy day. Today, we have a bit of a clipper coming through tonight, and then Wednesday, that is the bigger system. Now, cold air, that will be our story as well. Dress warm this week. You certainly need the parka.